The repair shop's Steve Fletcher is returning to the BBC series to give the guests' beloved treasures a new lease of life. He has been a part of the series since day one, with his first appearance being in 2017. Away from the show, he manages the Clockwork Shop, which is a third-generation family business. Steve's grandfather started work in Whitney in 1910 and set up his own shop, which Steve's father then took over. After qualifying in 1973, Steve began making and repairing clocks and watches himself. He regularly services clocks his grandfather and father worked on, continuing 100 years of family craftsmanship. Steve is known for being the brother of fellow repair shop star Susie, who is the show's leather expert. Susie paid tribute to her brother and spoke out about how he supported her following the loss of her husband, who died from cancer. Don't miss: Coronation Street exit fears as beloved resident makes heartbreaking decision. Latest: Ruth Langsford loving drama with Philip Schofield hours after Raymond's dig. Latest: bargain hunt star Caroline Hawley's life and famous husband explored. Latest: Susie explained how Steve had encouraged her to join the series as a way of overcoming the grief. She previously said, "Every time Steve called he looked to be having such a good time. I jokingly said, if they need anyone to do leather, I'm your gal." I really was joking, but after several phone calls and a lot of reassurance from Steve, I agreed to give it a go and join the team. I'm so happy I did, as this is one of the most enjoyable things I've ever been involved with, and it's also helped me through some very dark days. Steve is married to his wife Mel, with whom he shares 5 children, and he claimed she was partly responsible for him joining the show. She encouraged him to respond to an email from the show's producers asking him to take part, as he was initially reluctant, not knowing what the series would entail. He and Mel live in Whitney, close to where Steve's clock and watch repair business is located. His son Fred has followed in his footsteps and is now a junior watchmaker. The Repair Shop airs on BBC One on Wednesdays at 8 p.m.
From